Vacations are wonderful, but sometimes you just feel like you keep visiting the same place or type of places over and over again. To mix things up, you can visit one of these unusual places instead of a trip to another popular beach or resort. Prepare for an almost otherworldly travel experience. Blood Falls, Antarctica. The deep red blood falls were first discovered in 1911 by Australian geologist Griffith Taylor, but the reason behind the coloration of the waters has been confirmed recently thanks to explorations beneath the glacier by a probe. Iron deposits and other minerals have colored these ancient waters buried beneath the mountain of ice for millennia and resulting in the stunning natural wonder. Puerto Mosquito, Puerto Rico. Puerto Mosquito, the brightest bioluminescent bay in the world, is located on the Vieques Island in Puerto Rico. Don't let the name scare you. The bay is named for the pirate Roberto Cofresi and his small boat El Mosquito, not for those bloodthirsty insects. We'll probably want to visit this incredible destination during the summer months. We'll have glassy water for clear, crisp views of the bright beaches at night. Lake Hillier, Australia. Lake Hillier is located on Middle Island, part of the Recherche archipelago. It's believed that the unusual lake looks like a strawberry milkshake because of the extremely high salinity of the water, which is only separated from the ocean by a thin strip of sand and forest. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. While this incredible destination is more well known than some others on this list, being a UNESCO heritage site, there are still some pretty odd aspects that qualify this natural phenomenon as one of the strangest spots on the planet. Giant's Causeway has about 40,000 interlocking columns of basalt. Each pillar has a hexagonal shape and gives the whole area the look of stepping stones, giant stepping stones. Some of these columns are 39 feet tall. Goblin Valley State Park, Utah. Out in the heart of Utah lies Goblin Valley State Park, where thousands of hoodoos, referred to as goblins by locals, create a unique landscape of earth pyramids and red rock. Certain parts of the park even form maze-like sections where you can explore and play for hours. At the heart of the park, you will find the Valley of Goblins, with 3 established trails that just about anyone can hike. The overlooks, strange formations, and wilderness make this a unique experience as it is. But what's even better is that the park has no restrictions on where you can hike. The Nazca Lines, Peru. The Nazca Lines were created by the ancient Nazca people and depict plants, animals, and other shapes meaningful to their culture and way of life. How and why the people formed these shapes a quarter of a mile long remains a mystery to researchers today. The Tianzi Mountains, China. The stunning and unusual quartz sandstone mountain range is believed to have been formed millions of years ago through the irregular rising of the Earth's crust over a 2 million year period. Pamukkale, Turkey. When you research popular Turkish attractions, you are guaranteed to learn about Pamukkale. The white travertine terraces and bright pools are a picturesque natural phenomenon near the ancient ruins of the Greek-Roman city of Hierapolis. The UNESCO World Heritage Site receives nearly 2 million visitors each year thanks to the glory of the natural wonder, the historical sites, and the hot springs. That's all for today. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.